everyone, welcome back. Hope you are doing good and welcome to my home tour, part 1. Welcome to my video. We have a cradle over here, and actually the whole place is a sit area like a balcony. And here we have a shoe case, and the chair is for wearing the shoes and all. And here we have a tub chairs to hang out. And here we have a showcase. And the marble actually glows at night, like it shines. And here we have the main door, the main entrance. So let's go in. So this is the living area, and that is a TV unit, and we have the sofa set over here, and those are the blinds. We use blinds instead of curtains, and these are just on regular plants. And we have a painting over here. We used only blinds for the whole building instead of curtains. And this is the keychain holder. And we have the THANKYOU paint over here, which is made up of gold. And we have a console table below the painting. And actually it's a duplex. So we have dining table over here. And the TV unit. And we have the sofa set with the central table. This is the dining table, as I have mentioned before. And this is the breakfast counter on the left. And that is the wash basin. We have lights on the top. And I'm gonna take another video to explain the whole kitchen with the help of my mother. So let's go to another area. So we have a washroom, a pantry room, and a bedroom for the guests. So on the left is the washroom. And here's a pantry room to keep the kitchen clean and everything. There's a small room like thing for the storage and everything. And we have another bedroom. It's like a guest bedroom. It's for The main reason why it's below is that if any old people from village visit a house, they cannot climb again and again, so it's easy for them to stay down. So there's a bedroom over here. And I forgot to mention, this is the decorative item on the central table. So I'll show you the next floor in part 2. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you.